welcome. So today is a Friday. I just have to run some errands real quick, and then I have to meet my friend Clarice later, because I think we're going again to the restaurant place, but with Anne now. I just have to put this paper here, my vehicle registration here. I think that I have a umbrella on my car, so that's good. So anyways, I just have to run some errands really quick. I have to go to the office, and I'll meet her like around 12 o'clock. She said that around 12 to meet her. I have to be there at her house at exactly 12 or 12:20, so we gotta leave. So anyway guys, I'm just gonna drive, and then I will meet you guys later. We're back. We're back to. We have Shanghai and ang tawag nito?
Lumpiang sariwa.
Is that ubod? Fresh lumpia. Yes.
Fresh lumpia.
Fresh and fried.
Saan tayo ng chicken? Dito pa pala yun.
Oh my god. Ang laki niya, Bek. Ang laki-laki ng balaga. You wanna be choked? Saan mo yan nilalagay yung
Oh, ikaw din.
Hindi ko alam na malaki siya. Oh my god.
Oh, yung sinabi mo yun.
Look at our food.
Like it talaga. Nagsising ako sa ano tala. Hinintay ko na.
Putok-batok. Dalawang putok-batok.
Tutukan na. Grabe.
Crispy pata, 2 crispy pata, lumpia, fresh lumpia, grilled pork, and chicken chicken curry. Yeah, chicken curry. And 4 rice.
Ayan na. Sarap. Bisyo. Tikman na gusto ng
guys. Tingnan niyo. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Maglaway kayo. Sino na nanonood dyan ng 3 o'clock in the morning?
So, wala kang work ng ano?
Ha?
Wala kang work ng Friday.
Oh, masarap yung leche plan. I am off Friday, Saturday.
Masarap ka kung leche plan.
Wala ka. Di ba tayo kumakain ng leche plan?
Wala, leche plan na lang ako.
3 days off ko. Pero, yung work ko 12 hours.
Saan ka ba nag-work?
Agency. Healthcare
Yung
agency.
healthcare. Wala na ako sa healthcare.
We got a free dessert.
Bay, masarap to.
Ang tawag niyan?
Ube, kalay.
Halo kay ube. We just finished the leche flan.
God.
Hindi masarap.
Good.
Hindi masarap.
Maganda.
Really good.
It's good. I got the taste test. You're gonna do a taste test on the recipe.
Masarap.
Bakit matigas?
O, ganyan talaga siya.
Matigas? First time ko makakain ng ano paano to?
Sanserval.
Obi alaya. Oh, baby.
Wait, I'm gonna taste it.
I'll just watch.
I'll watch your reaction.
It's really
I'm sure.
Ang tigas. Paano ba to? Ate.
Natakbo siya.
libre lang ako. Kasi kaya ayaw.
Talhin mo na lang.
Ipagsalbahin mo.
Ang sarap. It's good.
Uy, ako be.
Ah.
Sabi ko sa kaibigan ko, ayan yung
Sige, story time.
Ayan yung
Story time.
may tao sa ulan.
Story time. We're here at Tyson's Galleria. I'm with my beloved and unsure. Ito, hindi ko kilala to. Oh my god. We're here at the mall. Gucci Wiwi daw. Tyson's. They have Zara here?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Yeah, they have the expensive, like luxury stuff here, like Chanel, right here. Chanel, Vekenem, Louis Vuitton, Vekenem, Berbere. Ikaw tayo luxury.
Ano lang ako, Mary.
Luxury. Is it good to? It's a crossbody. Look at that. Look at that small bag. You can fit like your phone, like iPhone.
Correct. Ako, ang feng shui ko kasi, naniwala
They
ako.
have blue.
Totoo, yung feng shui ko,
Oh, sige te, mag-story time ka.
ano, red.
Red.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. It's
Buy
classy.
No,
It's
red
classy.
one.
I finally get the mules that I want. It's right here. So we're going to Sephora.
Sephora tapos.
Kung Fu Tea. Hi guys, so today is a Sunday and I'm just gonna head to Marshall's at Ulta real quick because I'm gonna do like not grocery but Christmas shopping, and I have to go home after that because I still have to cook some dinner and food for the week. So I just gotta hurry up because it's already 3:30 o'clock in the afternoon, and the sun will go down like around 4 something or 5 because it's like winter time already. So anyways, I'm just gonna insert this vlog from from Friday, because I did vlog from Friday, and I'm just gonna like insert, like combine it, because the last Friday I didn't really like vlog a lot, so I'm just like gonna insert the vlog footage for today's. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later because I'm gonna drive and it's already late. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so I got one jeans at Target, and it's just a high rise skinny jeans, and yeah, I got this one for $20, but I do have a gift card, so I just used my gift card. So it's just this one, and it has like a little rib moment. So yeah, anyways, I just got these at Target, and there's so many people over there, that's why I didn't take you guys with me. I just vlog on my phone and how this jeans look like. And I also got a iced matcha green tea latte with almond milk, and it's really freaking good, you guys. So anyways, let's go to Marshall. Okay guys, we're back at Marshall's. Hey guys, they have a lot of clearance again at Marshall's, more on like skincare and makeup too. This is from the It Cosmetics for 16 bucks. Green Switch Hazel unscented for $6. So we have more clearance over there, and I see a Clinique clarifying lotion. This is a moisturizer. I love this. I had one before, like 2 years ago, and it's really good for oily skin girls as well, and it's only $16. They even have Boscia white charcoal mattifying setting spray for $10. Guys, if you're Christmas shopping, Marshall's is really good too, because if you have like a sister-in-law or sister, you can give them like a hair dryer, hair curler, or straightener. And they have a lot of skincare and also bath and body as well. So I got a couple stuff here. I will show you guys later. They even have Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way collection. They have Too Faced bronzer and powder. They have a lot of stuff here on sale. Down here they have It Cosmetics. They also have some coffees here. If your friend likes coffee or like hot cocoa, you can, you know, give this to her, and it's already like all ribbon up. And they have some tea. No, it's not tea, it's like Italian roast coffee from Starbucks. They got organic rainforest coffee, maple syrup. Also guys, I think I might get the e.l.f. metallic flare highlighter in bronze gold, and because it's only $2.99. And also this infused blush. Also gonna get this CoverGirl eyeshadow palette for $2.99. And there's NARS Velvet Lip Glide. Also, I found this NARS blush palette, and it's really good condition for like $16.99. And also this Real Techniques sponge for only $10. And this Stila, I believe this is like a glitter liquid eyeshadow glitter for $12. I'm still thinking about if I want to get these or not. And I have here a Castle soap for $3 as well. And also this one, I'm getting this one because I know that Shea Moisture is really good, and it's not on sale, but it's like $4.99. This is a conditioner. Hi guys, so it's already dark and it's 5:15 p.m. Anyways, I got a lot of stuff on Marshall's actually, and I stock on my Real Techniques sponge, because I know this is really good, and I know I just purchased this kind of sponges like a couple months ago, but they were on sale for like $10, and I do throw my old sponges away every 6 months because, you know, they gathered like germs and bacteria. So you gotta change your sponges, girls. You gotta change it. So anyway, this is the original price is $12.99. I know this is really expensive at Ulta because one itself, if you buy it one itself, it's $6.99 or $7.99. I'm not quite sure. So that's why I just got it at Marshall's. And I also got the conditioner from Shea Moisture, and I only paid $4.99 for this one. I also got a Steve Madden leggings, and it's only $6.99. So yeah, I like my black leggings, and there's 2 in here. And then what else? I also got I didn't get the CoverGirl eyeshadow palette because I just know that I have so much eyeshadow palette, and I know that I'm not gonna use them. And like, you know, some colors at the palette at the CoverGirl, you know, I feel like I already have it. So I just got the e.l.f. highlighter, and also the e.l.f. This is primer infused blush, and also this one highlighter. So that's that, and they're both $2.99. I remember when I went to Target 2 weeks ago, I saw this at Target, and they were kind of pricey, like $4 or $3, like the original price. Yeah, it was $4. So it's really good, and it's still brand new, like nobody's watched it, so that's really good. And then I didn't get the NARS like lip gloss, you guys, because I just feel somebody swatched it. I mean, I do love like the color, but I just feel like somebody swatched it already. And then last is, hold up, okay, the NARS blush, which is really good because the original price for this one, because I think it's like $30-something, and you guys, I only paid $16.99, and then it's really cute. Look at that packaging. I'm just gonna do a haul here because I know I have to hurry up and, you know, go back home so I can like cook food. And it comes with like a big mirror, and nobody swatch it. And then this is the color. I don't know, let's see if I can adjust it. So yeah, this is how they look like. Look how pretty that is, and like a mirror. Hi. And yeah, this is like really worth it, and they have a lot of NARS products over there too. And then I don't know what's the name of this, Wanted cheek palette. Hey guys, so I got mangoes from BJ's. They don't have a salad over there, that's why I just got some mangoes. But anyway, I'm gonna go home and make some dinner and also food for the week. So anyway guys, I will see you later. Hi guys, so I'm sorry I didn't vlog while I was cooking because I just wanna cook and prepare the food as soon as possible because it's already late. And I just got done doing my skincare, and I put the Mario Badescu drying lotion for like one pimple here, and then there's still like a little bit here that's almost dry. So then there's one here. So anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here since I'm gonna go to sleep as soon as possible because I have to work early tomorrow. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.